Morning, the mayor of Fresno making changes to the city's emergency order to shelter in place. And although it will last for another month, some people will get a chance to return to their jobs. Our Medeiros Bab joins us live from City Hall with the new changes. Medeiros.
Well, Alexander, there were a couple of big changes coming from Mayor Lee Brand today, including the extension of the order until the 31st and requiring citizens to wear masks when they go into certain places. Even though there are some new rules, there's also a lot of modifications detailing exactly how to get people back to work soon.
Good morning.
On Friday, from his living room, Mayor Lee Brand making a much anticipated announcement.
The previous order was set to expire at midnight on May 6th. This order extends until May 31st.
Even though the order is extended, the mayor says lower risk stores such as furniture, retail, and local restaurants will be able to open in the near future.
But I recognize that patience is running thin. People want to get back to work and businesses want to open their doors.
Those businesses will work with the city's code enforcement to make sure they have a plan and the necessary supplies to meet the health department's social distancing guidelines. Then the first 2 weeks will be a trial period. If there's a spike in cases, the businesses could be shut down again.
The most important part, we have to ensure that whatever we do is done in a safe, methodical manner and that mitigation measures to assure the public that it's safe. But what this does, it opens the gate for thousands of employees to come back to work, hundreds of businesses to reopen, and making a major step in rebuilding the Fresno economy.
If the number of cases go down, Brand said he would consider opening other businesses.
Then I will look at even lifting more requirements based on the level of risk and the mitigation measures.
Along with the extension, Brand saying citizens will have to wear face coverings or masks in stores or businesses. Citizens will not have to wear them while doing things such as walking their dog or driving their cars. The city does not plan to regulate or police citizens for this and says it will rely solely on voluntary compliance.
If we open a lot of new businesses, we want to make sure both the employees and the customers are safe. I don't believe anybody's going to get a ticket, but again, the main consequence is lack of entry.
Now, the businesses that will be chosen for that first phase will be announced sometime next week. All of these changes won't go in effect until the 7th because the current order does have to expire. The mayor also announcing that on Mother's Day weekend as well as Memorial Day weekend, all of the parks, including Woodward Park, will be closed. Reporting live from City Hall, Medeiros Bab, KSEE 24, local news that matters.